Hi guys, it is Friday, September 8th, and it is 71 degrees. Tomorrow it looks like it's going to be 75, and the following day 78. This is my Violet de Bordeaux. Today, early this morning, I defoliated a lot of the lower leaves in hopes to have the figs ripen. And I've done that before, I think last year. And since this year, this is the most fruits of figs I've had on this container tree. Just wanted to document what the result would be. And it is 71 degrees right now. I have a greenhouse on the way. We just ordered it. I'm so excited to put that in the greenhouse. We don't have many more weeks of sunshine like this. I think in another week it's gonna get cooler and cooler. This is our Pacific Northwest Seattle weather, but it is pretty warm today, and it will get warmer tomorrow. And already this fig here, it's ripe. Leave that on for another day or two. And I have another one here back there that is getting ripe too. This one right here. And then this one's a little bit, it's not ready. But once it gets that color, and then there's a little bit of give when I squeeze it, then I know it's ripe. This is my delicious sweet, but it's not too sweet, but it's sweet, berry flavored, but it's not extremely sweet. I love this. It has a slight kind of mild seed crunch, like a very little seed crunch to it, to the inside. And this is my first time having so much fruit on this container fig tree. I love it. This is its 4th year with us, and when it goes into dormancy, I was told by a fig grower to pot this to a larger pot, to a 15 gallons. I'll have to look for that. Before spring, I will be planting this in a larger pot. My Violet de Bordeaux fig. Wonderful result. There's one here too. And I'll give you an update in the next few days. Let you know if removing a lot of the leaves on the lower branches, if that had a better effect to help ripen and focus all the energy on the actual fruit instead of the leaves. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see updates on my adventures in my fig growing. VDB, and I have a new plant. This is our Smith fig right here in this pot. I just purchased it yesterday from Kim Chen. She is in Renton Highlands. This is my, can't really move it. You can see this is my Smith. Right there you can see, if I can focus on this closer. Smith says, you can see there, Smith fig. It's extremely difficult pretty rare to purchase this. It's in a 2-gallon pot. It is 2 years old, and the grower said most likely it will fruit next year. So I'm very excited for this Smith fig. Please like and subscribe if you want to see updates on my figs and my journey with my fig container fig tree and my VDB. I also have Isbat Anaj, Cadota, and Battaglia. And I'm sorry, Latarilla. I have Latarilla. So like, subscribe if you want to see updates on my container figs and my greenhouse. Greenhouse should be here within 10 to 14 days. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.